Many people's opinions about the Supreme Court was not affected over the past 1 week. It's only that before that 1 week, we had a lot of allegations leveled against the judges, both on social media and through media platforms. That's when we came up with the To Know issue, tribunal, and many other things. But the image of the judiciary and the Supreme Court was highly affected during the 2013 election, after the 2013 general election. A section of people believed it was not fair. Others said it was fair, depending with the political side. But you see, they never went ahead to investigate the allegations raised by opposition. The evidence, the facts, the proof that these elections were stolen. When you look at the results, you find that governors and senators and reps, the people who voted for them and the people who voted for the presidents, we have a difference of 2 million people. That's a very serious figure. You cannot dismiss it. Yeah, they were constitutional, they were fighting, but morally, no. I've never understood why people cling to power for that long. At 70, if you've been in a system, just walk out. Go home, take care of your goats, take care of your livestock and anything else. So for them, at 70, wanting to stay, someone wanting to stay at 74, I did not find it's what has he not done that time he or she was there to do at the time he wants to overstay there. Then the constitution is very clear. It's a new constitution. They're arguing that that they were hard under the old constitution. We were all born under the old constitution, but you are living under the new constitution. So there comes a time you say, I've done my part, I'll move on. It's 50-50. At least he tried to reignite the confidence in the judiciary. I also think he tried to do some changes which were good, but still we go back to the Supreme Court ruling. Everyone who asks about that point will go back to the Supreme Court ruling over the elections. Were they fair? Were not they fair? Were they not fair? If the ruling was fair, he did a good job. If the ruling was not fair, he did a bad job. So it's 50-50. People know, they know themselves better than us. So when they raise an issue, they know what they mean. For us, the public, before a case goes to the court, some of us have gone to school. So we either know where it's going. Then it's not just a case, a tribunal, anything. Even news, if you move to a press conference, you know what they are likely to say. So, and as a journalist, you usually realize that news is not what they are saying. News is what they have not said. So before a court ruling, we usually ask ourselves many questions as Kenyan citizens, as professionals, and as people who are stakeholders of this great nation. So we know that this case is going to the court. What will be the ruling? What do we expect? If they'll say this happened. We all know the better the lawyer, the better the chances of winning.